Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones and be wild, 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 wild.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm really excited to share some more DIY glam projects. Inspired by the store Burlington, I'm doing some glam pumpkins. I hope you enjoy. I recently picked up some of this beautiful velvet-like fabric. I got it in 3 colours, in silver, black and white. Starting with the first pumpkin, what I'm going to do is flip the material over to its back. I'm then going to take a toilet roll, guys, and place it in the centre. Now I cut up an old cushion for some hobby fill, and what I'm going to do is just place it around the toilet roll. You're then going to start to tuck the material into the middle of the toilet roll. I started to push it down with my finger, but found it was a lot easier when I used the end of a pair of scissors. Now you're just going to play around with it, guys, until you have the desired effect for the look of the pumpkin. Once you're happy with the result, what you're going to do here is make a stem. Now I had some of these old dowels that I was using from an old shelf, and I placed them in the centre. I then put that one to the side, and starting with the white fabric, I repeated the same steps. Once you're happy with the result, again I used another dowel for the stem.
I've been walking down the street like an alien. They say time will heal, but I don't have patience. You packed your things now.
I ended up making 2 of each colour, so I ended up with 6 pumpkins. I then started on 2 of the black pumpkins, repeating the same steps. Now, I only had 2 dowel from that shelf, guys, but I decided to pick up from my dollar store this little ladder for a bird cage, and this was the perfect dowel for the stems. So I just trimmed off the rope and I added them to each pumpkin. So what you're going to end up with is 6 pumpkins that look like this. So now comes the absolute fun part, decorating them. I took these dollar store crystal-like gems, and what I'm going to do here, guys, is just add them around the pumpkin. What you're going to do is just start from the middle of the pumpkin and place them down. You're going to continue around until you've added 5 of the strips. You're then going to take a paintbrush and some Mod Podge, and what you're going to do is add the Mod Podge so it meets the joins of the strips.
I can't deal with this aching.
You're then going to continue to add the Mod Podge around. Now it doesn't have to be even, you really want uneven strokes. I also added it to the stem.
No, I can't, cause I'm still
You're then going to take your favourite silver glitter, guys, and you're going to dust it over the Mod Podge. You're then going to take these dollar store pearls and then you're going to add them over randomly to the top. Now I ended up going over these with some glitter and Mod Podge as well, but I actually changed my mind and you'll see this at the end. I then repeated the same steps to the black pumpkin. Taking that Mod Podge once again, I'm going to add that around the pumpkin as well as the stem and then add my favourite silver glitter.
it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the
I then continued to add some more glitter and adding some Mod Podge over those pearls and then dusting them over with the glitter again.
way you touch my hair. It all goes away.
I then started on the 2 silver pumpkins and repeated the same steps again.
I sound so cliche.
Now off camera, I used my trusty hairspray and I secured all 6 pumpkins in place.
Things that you do, sounds like a fool 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my
Guys, I've been absolutely in love with these glam pumpkins that everyone has been sharing overseas at the store Burlington. Unfortunately, we don't have Burlington here in Australia, so my only other alternative was to DIY them.
to me, all I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say.
These simple, inexpensive projects were so much fun to create. I love being able to bring ideas to you if you, like myself, are not able to purchase them.
Things that you do, sounds like a fool 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
Guys, these simple DIY pumpkins were so much fun to create, and they're so sparkly and glam, they make my heart so happy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Shell, and I'm the creator of Shell's Glam Home. I love to share simple and inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home's glam per season.
Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
Who knew that you could take something as simple as a toilet roll, guys, and create it into something glam for your home. Guys, don't forget that you can also follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Shells Glam Home too. I post daily inspiration, guys, of decorating ideas in my home, as well as YouTube updates.
I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna think another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own glam glitter pumpkins.
Oh, you, I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me.
So don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shells Glam Home.
Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.